Active or passive income? Which one is more important? A major benefit of active income is that it's dependable. However, you have to work regularly and consistently work to earn money. With passive income, you put money up front and you don't really have to do much afterwards. It just starts making money for you. With passive income, when you put your money and time up front, you don't have to do much work afterwards. Why is passive income important? Passive income allows you to build your wealth and improve your cash flow, which leads to your financial stability and your security. Active income is quicker and ensures a regular stream of income. Passive income, on the other hand, can take time, either months or even years, and it might not be consistent. A difference between active and passive income is somebody that is in real estate. One person flips houses and the other person rents out houses. Can you guess which one of the two is active? Well, if you said this one, you're correct. Because the flipper has to consistently look for houses, renovate the house, and then sell the house. So they're always in motion of doing something to make an income. Whereas the person that's renting out the place, they get the place, they find a tenant, and then they don't have to do anything else after that. So broadly speaking, passive income can be anything from royalties, interest, or even dividends. Both are important. Remember to always speak to a tax professional to make sure you understand the tax implications with active income and passive income. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up in the comments. And don't forget to get my credit DIY guide. It teaches you how to maintain, utilize, and build back up your credit. Click the link in the bio and get your copy today.